In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install dependencies, add your Discord bot token, and start your bot in GitHub code spaces. We'll begin right inside your code space. Open the terminal at the root of your project where your package JSON file lives. To install everything your bot needs, type npm install and press enter. This command reads your package JSON and downloads all the required packages into a node modules folder. The first run may take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection and the number of dependencies. If you see warnings, that's usually fine. Actual errors will stop the process. When it completes, you're ready to configure your bot's token. Next, you'll add your Discord bot token to your environment. You can store it in a .env file or a config.json file, depending on how your bot code expects to read it. In the terminal, open one of these files with nano. For an environment file, type nano.env and press enter. If your project uses a JSON config, type nanoconfig.json instead. With the editor open, paste your token in the correct format for your project. Be careful here. Do not share this token publicly. Commit it to a repository or paste it anywhere outside your secure environment. When you're done, save and exit Nano by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm, and enter to write the changes. Now it's time to launch the bot. In the terminal, run node index.js. If everything is set up correctly, your bot should start without errors, and you'll see logs in the terminal indicating it's running. Check your Discord server to confirm the bot appears online and is responsive to whatever commands or events you've built. A quick but important note about keeping the bot running: GitHub Codespaces is not designed for 24/7 hosting. Your code space will suspend when inactive, and your bot will go offline when that happens. This setup is perfect for development, testing, and demos, but not for permanent hosting. As long as the terminal session is active and the code space is awake, your bot will stay online. If the session ends or the code space sleeps, you'll need to come back, reopen the terminal, and run node index.js again. That's it. You installed your dependencies with npm install, safely added your token using Nano, and started your bot with no